How's it going? Dave here, and if you are a musical artist looking to get more followers and listens on Spotify, then this video is going to be just for you. It is essential today in the music industry for every artist to have one link that leads to your music on all streaming services, so Spotify, iTunes, Google Play, etc., all on one link. And this is where a really cool service called Hyperfollow comes in. And I'm going to be showing you how to use Hyperfollow in today's video. It's really, really cool. So this is going to help you get more listeners on Spotify, more followers on Spotify. You're going to get more outreach, and you're also going to get more insight about the people who listen to your music. So here's a quick example of a Hyperfollow page. So this is for my band Callista. I'm going to show you how to create this page. It's really, really just super simple. Let's get straight into it. So this is a service provided by DistroKid, and DistroKid are my recommended way of getting your music onto Spotify, iTunes, and so many other streaming platforms. You get to keep 100% of your royalties, and you get to upload unlimited songs. So what you need for this is the Musician Plus plan, where you can upload unlimited songs. You get a Spotify verified checkmark. You get to upload unlimited lyrics, and you can see there's lots more benefits to having the Musician Plus plan. So you need that. You can't get the Hyperfollow with the Musician plan, so just be aware of that. So first of all, you have to upload your music to DistroKid. I've done a video on how to upload your music to DistroKid, so I'm not going to show you how to do that here, but the upload page looks a little bit like this. You can choose where your services go, you choose the number of songs, and then there's a few more options that you just have to fill in when uploading the single, and it's just this one page. It's very, very easy. Once you've set your release date, once you've uploaded your song or your album, in fact, then as soon as that is uploaded, then you get a Hyperfollow page. If you click on more and then Hyperfollow, then for example, you get Dear You or Drowning You. Those are my band's 2 singles, and there's a Hyperfollow page for each release. This is kind of what it will look like on a phone. So there'll be one button to save and follow on Spotify until the album is released. So all the way up to your release, leading up to your release, there's this one button where people can click it and they can save and follow on Spotify. So as soon as they click this link, the album or the single is saved on their Spotify and they automatically follow you. So it's a really easy way to get people to follow you and to get the album saved so that they don't forget about your album or single when it comes out. Then automatically, as soon as the release comes out, there will be links to all of these other services. So let me show you how to customize your Hyperfollow page. So I'm going to do this for my band and our single Drowning You, because we don't have a Hyperfollow page for Drowning You. So what you do is, obviously, again, you go more Hyperfollow, and then you click the single or the album. Then you click visit, so you can see here's the Hyperfollow page for Drowning You so far. As you can see, it's automatically put all of these links in, but you can do a few more things. So let's click on customize, then edit this page. So obviously artist, Callista, Drowning You is the song title. There's the artwork, there's the release date. Now you can add a YouTube embed. So if you've got a music video, then you can place that in there. So let's just put the music video in there. Callista, Drown in You. Here's the music video. Let's pause that. And then if we copy the link and paste the link, and then we'll just save that now quickly just to see. Oh yeah, actually I've got to just close that Savn link because there's no link there. So save changes. And then we've got the YouTube video up on the Hyperfollow page. So that was super easy. Now let's see what else we can do. Edit this page again. So we've got the YouTube video, message button text. So talk to me, direct message, hit me up, slide into the DMs. You can choose what people see there. So I'm going to choose direct message. Spotify pre-save on. That was before the album or the single was released. Audio preview. So you can do an audio preview. So there's like a little waveform thing, people can click on it and preview the song. Holiday Cheer activates in December, auto deactivates January 1st. I have no idea what this is, but I'm going to activate it, and it's not December, so I guess we'll find out in December what that is. Apparently it's pretty fun. And if you've got a Facebook or Google Ads Pixel ID, then you can chuck that in there. We don't at the moment. So there you go. Here's all the links that will appear on your Hyperfollow page. You can choose to get rid of some if you want. I'm not going to get rid of any, but I can add a new link, choose the service. I'm going to add the Bandcamp link. So Callista Bandcamp. Dear You. I don't want Dear You, I want Drown in You. So I'm going to click that link, copy and paste that link down there, and that will appear in my Hyperfollow page. And then also, if you want to add your Facebook, Instagram, social media links to your Hyperfollow page, you can do it here. So if I add a new link, choose service, Instagram, and then, oh, of course it was Callista Cult because we're a black metal band now. I totally forgot about that. Okay, so here we go. Click the link, copy it and paste it into our Hyperfollow. I'm just going to do the Instagram for now. We'll save the changes, and there we go. We've got the audio preview there, and we've got the Instagram link there, and we've also got the Bandcamp link there. Actually, I want to move that Bandcamp link up a bit, so we can do that. And I want Spotify to be right at the top as well. So let's customize, edit this page, and then Spotify can go up at the top. And then Bandcamp can go next to it. So save changes and done. So that's how you create a Hyperfollow page. Now let's talk about some of the information you'll gather from having a Hyperfollow page. So if we click on my Hyperfollow page, on DistroKid Hyperfollow, we'll go to Dear You here. So with Dear You, it shows you the number of follows generated by Hyperfollow. So we did Hyperfollow for Dear You. Shows you the locations of those new followers, excuse me. And it shows you all the bands that people who listen to you like. So people who like my band like Bring Me the Horizon apparently, Silent Planet, the 1975, Veil of Mare, all cool bands, maybe except for the 1975, hate them. Oh, and I've just shown you some email addresses, I'll blur those out. But you get the email addresses also of the people, see down here, that have also signed up for your Hyperfollow. Not only do you see how many people have signed up via Hyperfollow, you get to see what kind of stuff your fans are listening to as well, so you can kind of target an audience for your advertising that's similar to people who listen to that kind of stuff. And then you can build up a little email list from the emails that you've generated from the Hyperfollow. So it's really, really useful. Definitely recommend it. Now, if you want to sign up to DistroKid, you can get 7% off your sign up if you click on my link, which is down there, and it's also in the description. So make sure you definitely do that because you get a decent discount there. And it helps me out also, so win-win situation there. So if you enjoyed the video, click like, let me know what you thought in the comments, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell so that you're notified every single time I release a new video, and I will catch you in the next one. Have a good day.